Hey, Evan.
Hey, Katelyn.
You know, screens are cool and all, but what would be even cooler than a screen?
I don't know.
A clear screen.
That would be so cool. We could like play video games and see each other's eyes
Through the screen.
through the screen.
Or I could draw silly things on your face through the screen. It would be so cool. But is it possible? Oh, did you have another example?
Or we could like watch movies, romantic movies, but like also see each other's eyes.
Oh, or that.
You don't like my idea. I can tell. And the way we can make that happen, I think, is we'll disassemble this monitor and break it into layers. How an LED LCD display like this normally works, there's a light emitting layer at the back, the LED shining out pure white light, and it passes through the liquid crystal display, which colorizes it. So for the white right here, it's just the LED shining through a clear LCD. Now for the color, the LCD is colorizing that white light into whatever color you want. Now, disassembling this, fitting it into a new frame, all of that, that's the hard part.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little worried that we're gonna break everything.
Yeah, I was looking around and I don't see like any screws. Where's the screws?
Juby, are you excited for the monitor?
Yes.
Can you help us disassemble it?
No.
What a silent meow. Oh, looks like we're laying him down for surgery.
We are.
Scalpel!
Okay, I'm just gonna start disassembling whatever I can get.
We don't need to be able to salvage any of this framework because we're gonna build our own frame later.
Yes.
Right? Okay,
Now,
that's good.
we do need to salvage the electronics that are inside of here.
But we can destroy the chassis.
Oh, look.
Oh, did you get it? Wait.
It's like, I'm going in so blind. Am I gonna like snip a wire? Am I going to break everything?
I don't know. You
I
know
bent
that this
this.
is outside my comfort zone in every way possible, so.
It's just all one piece. There must be a way
There's a way.
to like,
Don't snap it though. What if we cut the corners?
oh, I did a thing. Yes.
Stop it.
Marty. Wait.
Oh, that part's connected. Okay.
It's connected. Is this free?
Haha.
Okay, can I just do a really quick systems check?
Yeah. See if it still turns on.
Does it still turn on?
Almost smashed my toe.
The revenge of the block. You guys know what block that is. Oh, wow. Oh. I'm so clumsy. Look at these big dents in the wood.
Seeking revenge, yet finding no success. Haha!
Ah.
Oh, you kicked the cabinet. Oh.
Okay, so the monitor is plugged into power, and yes, look at that.
Oh, sweet.
It's beautiful.
Okay, we haven't broken anything yet.
So far, so good. Okay, you know what's crazy, Katelyn?
What?
I want to show you what the LCD is. This thing right there, that's what we're going to extract. That's
That
it.
like 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter thick
Yes,
thing? Okay.
there. This is what we're going for.
Man.
Oh, look, you can see. Isn't that weird?
Oh, it looks wrong. What's in there? What are you pushing in there?
There's like a foam seal that goes all the way around.
Now some of it's in there.
Well, we're gonna be separating it anyways. Let's go ahead and remove all of the screws, all of the tape we can see. I don't know what this does, but I unplugged it.
Oh, the whole chunk comes off.
And this cable sends the signal to the liquid crystal display. So what we need to do is disconnect this. Oh no.
What happened?
Was I not careful enough?
Did it?
It kind of maybe broke just a little bit.
Uh-oh.
How important is that metal piece?
Probably really important, right?
Did we break it already? So it goes back in. I think it still might work. Oh, I'm getting so sweaty. My mustache is sweaty. You can't see it.
I thought you were taking a selfie of your mustache.
Can you feel it? Touch it?
Oh yeah, it's moist. It's a moist stash.
Moist stash. Okay, so we can just put all of this aside. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay. Okay.
Why is this so stressful? Why did I choose today to wear long sleeves? Now my mustache is getting sweaty.
Oh, sorry. Here you go. Oh, yes. And I think we can just run something gentle all the way around the outside, and then the liquid crystal display will be free. Please detach. Please. Oh.
It's detaching. Oh, it's detaching. Oh, it's detaching.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, is that the LED panel back there?
That's the LED panel right here, and this is the LCD right here. I'm so nervous. I don't want to pull. I don't want to crack it, because this is liquid crystal display. It's crystals. It's fragile. Oh no, there's foam on this side too, I think.
Is that bad?
Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll be able to access all of it.
What if you have to access it from this side?
Like reach in here? Doesn't reach long enough.
I can reach it. Okay, full separation there. I've almost got it. Where are you still connected? Okay, now let's see. For the LED.
Oh. Okay. You got this side?
Yeah.
Oh, I got the little one.
Okay, I got the
Oh my gosh, this is so thin and light.
I know.
This is so thin and light. I'm freaking out. I'm gonna see if we have the right size plexiglass to like hold on either side of this.
Okay.
Oh no, these are too small. Okay, I'm gonna do something crazy.
Okay.
I'm gonna do something crazy.
What are you
I'm gonna plug
do?
it in.
Oh, what will this look like without the LED?
That's what we're gonna find out, baby. Give me a second. All right. Oh, my hands are shaking.
This is the part that you thought you might have broken earlier?
Yep. How important is that metal piece? All right. It is plugged in here. Let me power this on. This is like the true moment of truth. If this works, we're like looking pretty good here.
Yeah. It would confirm that we didn't break anything.
Yeah. Okay, monitor cable, power cable.
Oh, I see a light.
Oh.
Can you see anything?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see it. I see the red. Yeah. Here, go up. Here, move slowly. Move slowly and people can see the color change.
I'm gonna play that same video. Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, weird. I can see it better from this side. You can't see it from the back too well because it's super reflecty.
There might also be a polarizing filter. I can see it from here though, yeah.
You get it from this side too?
Oh my gosh.
I know, it's working. Look at that. Look at that beautiful creature who we can see every pixel of.
It's kind of hard to see.
But it works.
Everything's working. We're on the right path.
We're on the right path.
I think now we need to remove a filter from this. Okay, according to some online videos that I watched, you get wet paper towels and you lay it across here for an hour up to a day, and then you can just peel it off.
What if it like the wetness like seeps into electronics? That like gave me a stomach ache immediately thinking about that.
This is gonna feel so wrong.
It's good. Oh yes.
Fairly wet. Okay.
It's bedtime for you.
This looks like an arts and crafts project that's gone wrong.
Yeah, are we paper macheing this monitor?
Paper mache monitor, DIY hack.
Let's see if this is enough to remove the film. Oh, yeah,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
where it's at. Do you have a satisfying angle?
All right, go for it. Oh, yes. And then from the side too. Oh yeah, that's great.
It's tearing.
Oh no, that's terrible.
So we're encountering some difficulties. I think we just need to let it soak longer.
Yeah, we got
But
impatient.
we thought that since we have it in this half with polarized sheeting, what is it?
I don't know. Is it anti-glare? Is it polarizing? We're removing some sort of filter from the top, but I want to see what it does because it's half on, half off. Let's plug it in
and see the difference.
Yeah, I mean, if we decide we liked it better with the sheet, there's nothing really we can do about it, but maybe we can solve some mysteries right now in this moment.
Let's do it. Oh, also, I went ahead and ran to the hardware store and got some protective sheeting that we can kind of like sandwich it.
I thought we mentioned that when we got to later in the edit. That's fine.
So, a plexiglass sandwich. Okay, let's just put this behind it. Oh yeah, I can see it much better. Wow. Oh wow. This is a moment where it's coming together.
But is the removed film good or the with film? This is film. This is no film. The no film is better.
The no film is better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, thank goodness.
There, yeah, in the top, that's clear. And right there, that's where the filter is. And you can see, like, Katelyn's hand on the other side is blurrier, and it's just not as clear. It's not as good.
Yeah, so we'll remove the rest of the film. We'll just let it soak a bit more.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey there! Do you love being alive? Frolicking through your backyard.
Saying hi to the neighborhood cats.
The smell of fresh electronics in the morning.
Well, if you want to keep living, you need to eat.
And what better way to do so than with our sponsor, HelloFresh, America's #1 meal kit.
They have more 5-star recipes than any other meal kit, and we literally have not tried one we didn't like.
Plus, they save you time because all the ingredients come pre-portioned and they're shipped to your door, cutting out grocery trips, which take an average of 41 minutes, giving you more time in your day for frolicking.
Plus, they're super flexible. You can easily change your delivery dates or skip a week if you need to.
You want a cucumber cob? Did you? Oh God.
Supporting our sponsor supports us, so go to HelloFresh.com and use our code EvanandCaitlin80 to get a total of $80 off across 5 boxes, including free shipping on your first box. That's HelloFresh.com and code EvanandCaitlin80. Thanks.
Ooh,
Fresh.
the pickled cucumbers.
The pickled cucumbers, y'all. Boop.
So now that we've taken everything apart, it's time to put things back together, but in our own monitor frame. And of course, we have the supervisor here to approve our design.
Looks like she's keeping a very strict eye on things.
You working hard?
Yes.
I'm gonna try to keep the design fairly simple. Just 2 main components, the base and the arms. The base will have a CNC slot cut into it so that we can feed the cables through to the electronics enclosure that will be screwed to the base. And now, a build montage. Ready to find out if this fits?
I am. I'm so excited to see what this looks like all together.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, love that look. Sure. You know, this would just be a cool look for monitors.
Yeah.
In general.
Yeah.
This type of frame.
All right, now we just gotta install the electronics.
Sorry. Oh, that makes me a little.
No. I just need to access the bottom. How do I prevent it from like
Tape.
sliding out? Beautiful. Yeah. Now, this is a little bit of a tricky part. Okay, this is the final time I have to do this, so hopefully.
Yeah. Hopefully you don't break it.
Yes.
Nice.
Oh. What if we had have broken it right there because of the
tape?
top tape? It was stuck down and it was pulling it at an angle.
No, I can't deal with that.
This LCD has gone through a lot. The cables have gone through a lot. What if we have assembled it, but somehow have broken it in between?
Okay.
Power on, data in.
Please. Yes!
Yay!
Yes. Okay, we haven't broken it yet.
It looks good, right?
It does look good. It looks really good.
It looks high end.
It's kind of
Looks like $1,000 of fake money.
Dewey, what do you think? Does the supervisor approve?
Hi nerds.
Yeah, come on out.
What do you think?
You has ham back there?
Yes, must investigate.
She wants to be.
Oh, thank you for demoing it.
Yeah.
Perfect silhouette.
Yes.
Yeah, that's so fun.
But now we need to somehow justify all of this time and effort that we put into this transparent monitor.
I think the best way to do that is for you to stand on one side and for me from the other side to Photoshop things onto your face.
Perfect. Help! Help! I'm trapped inside of a computer monitor! Ah! Oh!
You ready to do some Photoshoppings?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm
This
excited.
is so neat. Okay, so Katelyn and I both have a live view of what you guys are seeing so that we can kind of like interact together. Katelyn has also prepared some files that I'm scared about.
So I'm wondering, love, are you feeling rock and roll, magical, glam?
Magical.
Okay. Oh God.
You're a hairy lizard.
A hairy lizard?
Yeah. All right, Katelyn, can you replace my eyes? Can you do my makeup? Give me
So,
eyeliner.
Let's try 2 different ways to do it. This will be a great test.
Okay.
One is using Photoshop assets and one is drawing.
Okay.
So we'll start with
Oh no.
Oh, this is really cursed. Oh no. Give me a sassy pout. Oh, baby.
So interesting being able to see you and like what you're doing. Oh.
Supervisor wants in my lap. Hopping up. Yes, I have an assistant.
I can kind of like barely see you in the reflection.
Jube keeps headbutting my arm, so she's having some input too.
Oh, yes. Oh my.
I'm gonna need to touch up your brows.
Oh, I look so glamorous. We can
So
title
hard.
this video Evan's E-Girl Makeover.
I'm giving you a purple mustache.
Oh, that's what that is.
I think you look lovely. You're ready to take the internet by storm.
Now that I've been an E-Girl, now I want you to add like tattoos. Did the supervisor put you up to that?
Yes. I know you've been considering face tattoos, so
Dragon.
it's a spider web.
Oh, crawling on my face. Oh, this is gonna upset some people.
He's got one really muscly leg.
That's his killing leg.
You know, it's not a perfect spider.
See, look, this lets you preview that tattoo with different emotions. Happy. Sad.
Is that your sad face?
Looks kind of good. Classy.
You could kind of pull that off, honestly.
Sophisticated.
Oh, here, let me just add to it. Here, I have another hairstyle for you.
All right.
It's Snooki.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, is that your best? What's your best Snooki impression?
I like that's such an outdated reference. I don't remember that cultural moment. What's your Snooki impression?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It's me, Snooki. All right, so now that we have a transparent monitor, we have found at least one amazing, beautiful use.
Very practical.
Very practical.
But you know, this project isn't just about being practical. It's also about challenging ourselves and doing something cool and building something that looks really sweet.
If you guys want more Evan and Katelyn content, we have more channels. We have our second channel. We have 2 gaming channels. We live stream on Twitch, and we have a podcast.
You remembered all of them. I'm so proud.
Bye.
Bye.
But so far, no.
Can't shake your hand. I'm sorry. Here, shake something else. Thank you.
I know you don't like it when I don't touch your nose.
I know, it really helps.
Okay, let's turn this off. Oh no, all my
no.
stuff. No, I'm coming, stuff. Just don't die, stuff. Oh,
my
Katelyn,
God.
shoot him.
I can't.
No,
Hey, how about
you gotta
you
sword
just
strike
shush?
him.